As you can see, they just look like a normal pair of glasses and they feel just like as light and comfortable, weighing only 50 grams. They are controlled by swipes on the arm via touch sensor. Though it took me few goes to navigate smoothly. With the glasses on, I could see an e-book projected in front of my eyes and scroll through to a calendar, the weather and more. These projections were bold and colorful as the glasses have a peak brightness of over 1000 nits. You can also communicate with Oppo's voice assistant via the glasses with 4 inbuilt speakers to listen for commands. The technology uses Andes GPT model and can therefore process images, text, video, audio and more. The downside is that the Oppo Air Glass 3 is a China exclusive prototype and therefore won't be coming to the UK or US. There's still a lot to be figured out with this type of technology. For example, I use prescription glasses for work but didn't have them on during the shindig. Therefore, the text was blurry for me. There's an option to wear them on top of your normal glasses. Of course, my fellow tech advisor team member tried this and had no issues. But it certainly takes away any street cred you may have. These glasses could be used for live translation for both foreign language and people with hearing impairments and for directions when you are out and about. It's a huge step forward from the first pair of Air glasses Oppo launched in 2019, which make you look frozen from the incredible.